In this video, we'll discuss how to use Sabbath mode on select models. To enter into Sabbath mode, press and hold both the timer on-off and oven light pads for 3 seconds until SABB is displayed. Depending on your model, there are 2 ways to navigate through Sabbath mode: using the plus and minus pads or using 0 on the number pad. Navigate to your desired schedule option and then press Start to select your option. To see the full Sabbath schedule selection menu, please reference your owner's manual. If a continuous 24-hour Sabbath worm is desired, enter the Sabbath mode and then press Start. If the default duration is not desired, press the timer on-off pad while SABB is displayed to enter the Sabbath worm duration selection menu. Scroll through the duration options using the plus and minus pads or using 0 on the number pad. Press Start to select your duration. To exit Sabbath mode and return the range to normal function, press Cancel at any time. For more information about our products, visit geappliances.com and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for the latest updates, recipes, and more.